What's going on, pals? So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I do the wet look on my own hair. I'm starting out with a spray bottle filled with water, and I'm just spraying it throughout my hair so that I can soak my hair again. I had it wrapped in a t-shirt previously and it kind of soaked out all the water I had, so I'm just bringing that moisture back in. And after drenching my hair with water, I go in with my Cantu Curl Activator Cream. I use this in every video, you guys know this, and I just distribute that evenly throughout my hair. So FYI, majority of the products that I'm using in this video, I use in majority of my other videos. Nothing ever really changes. I try to keep using what I know works for me, so just letting y'all know that. And then here I am detangling my hair, starting from my ends and making my way up to my roots. That way I don't run the risk of ripping any of my hair out and, you know, pulling my hair out in clumps. So I'm then going in with my Unjacky's Curl La, and I'm putting that mainly on my ends just to get some extra definition. I won't really have to worry too much about definition because I am using quite a few gels, such as this one, which is my Jelly Soft Curls by Miss Jessie's. Now I'm using this gel because I'm kind of using this as a way to sculpt my hair in the shape that I want it to be in, and then afterwards I go in with my Eco Styler gel. The reason I use two different gels is because this gel is a little more lightweight and it doesn't set as quickly as Eco Styler gel, so it gives me enough time to manipulate my hair and, like I said, into the shape that I want it. And then here I am using a bristle brush, and then I use my Eco Styler gel. I am very generous with the Eco Styler gel. I'm not shy with it because I want to make sure that my hair does not lift throughout the day. This brush is not your average bristle brush. It's a little bit more softer. I think it's like one of those brushes that dudes use when they're trying to get their waves. I don't know. I think that's what it is. I don't know, y'all. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what this is, and it's a lot softer, so it's not as rough as a normal bristle brush that we typically use. Now, because this brush is not as rough, I can use it on my hairline to kind of help me lay my edges down. The regular bristle brushes are extremely rough, y'all. They hurt, so that's why I prefer this brush over regular bristle brush. That's just my preference. Use whatever you want to use. Like I said, that's just my preference. It doesn't hurt, so I'm gonna try to use what don't hurt me, alright? But yeah, after that I'm using my toothbrush just to fine tune. And then here I just show you guys what my hair is looking like before I wrap it to dry and everything. Yeah. And then I just put my scarf on. I try my best to cover my edges, although they dry much quicker than the rest of my hair, obviously, but I still try to cover my hairline and everything with the scarf. And yeah, just wrap my hair up so that it can dry. I let it sit for maybe about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Within that hour I also sit under the dryer to help it dry a little bit quicker. Just letting y'all know that. This is, I don't know where I got this scarf from, but it's very long and it kind of keeps my hair inside of the scarf, which is very helpful in this situation. And just to keep my hair from shrinking, because this scarf, for some reason, my hair shrinks a lot. I just use those rubber bands that you guys see me put on the ends to kind of stretch my hair in a sense. Then after sitting for 2 hours, I take everything off, and the top is pretty much dry, but my ends are not. Now this is the part that I was showing you in my last video. I like to diffuse my hair, not in a traditional sense though, in a more of a vertical sense. Is that vertical? I think that's vertical. Listen, I get that mixed up, okay? So don't come for me, all right? Anyway, yes, I vertical. Oh my God, I diffuse vertically. And I do that just so that I'm not crunching my hair up. And then eventually I do take the nozzle off and I blow dry my roots and everything, just because my roots take a little bit of time to dry as well. So I want to make sure I try to speed up that process as quick as I can, or as best as I can, I'm sorry. Then after that, that's pretty much it. So that's the wet look for me. Hopefully one day I will kind of master this, because sometimes I don't really get the definition that I'm looking for, but this is okay for, you know, for a beginner, I guess. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I don't need the comments, but I do read them and I do appreciate them. So with that being said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.